Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Google Wallet. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.